A kitchen is synonymous with chaos, where the food ingredients, seasonings, chefs, cooks, and opinions all blend into one. Then flame comes into the mix. Things get hotter, louder, but that's where the flavors come from. Whether it's in a restaurant or a craft kitchen, chaos is a natural thing. But we succeeded in adapting to and controlling this chaos into our driving force. Even though our team members and talents come from different nations, even though our team worked from sunrise to the next sunrise, with limited equipment and racked by the yearning for our spouse and children back home. Because we're guided by a recipe that brought all of these different ingredients into one. The creative recipe to bring our idea to life. Chaos became our source of inspiration. Because our differences aren't a problem, but our secret blend of spices. Now we serve the flavor that we've created to you.